Years old and worth her weight in gold. Today, we celebrate the 50th birthday of Jasmeet Kaur Anand, fondly called Jassie by her friends. Here is an overview of those 50 golden years that have rolled down memory lane. Born in Bombay on the 16th of September 1965, Jasmeet is the second child of Parminder Singh and Jagdish Kaur. Her elder brother, Amarpreet, and his wife, Jaspreet, along with their two lovely daughters, Ishmita and Ishreen, are settled in Mumbai.
Hi Jasmeet, wish you very happy golden jubilee birthday. Wish you were there on this day, special day with you. But our good wishes and love is always there with you. Have fun, enjoy, have a wonderful birthday. Stay blessed.
May you always be as cheerful as you are today. And may you celebrate many more birthdays, many more good things to come in your life. Stay blessed. Enjoy your day.
Lots and lots of love.
Happy birthday to you. I love you.
Happy birthday to you, Bhuji. Happy birthday to our Bhuji. Happy birthday, dear Bhuji. Happy birthday to you, Tara. Congratulations on completing half a century. May all your wishes and dreams come true. May you have a nice day and a better year ahead. Lots of hugs and kisses through this video. Lots of love.
The younger brother, Jaskirat, with his wife Meeta and their children Avleen and Jugat, live in Pennsylvania, USA.
Happy birthday, Didi. May Vaiguruji bless you with all the health and happiness. May all your wishes come true.
Happy birthday, Didi. Happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day and have a wonderful year ahead full of health and happiness.
Have fun.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Pooji. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Ooh la la. Pepperoni pizza. Hiya, chicken. Happy birthday. Have a good year ahead and enjoy your birthday.
After completing her schooling at St. Joseph's Convent, Mumbai, Jasmeet did her graduation in Home Science from Nirmala Niketan College. It was in the year 1984 that Jasmeet found her life partner in Kanwaljit Singh Anand, alias Bittu. The wedding and the reception took place at Coimbatore and were grand gala events. The couple have two loving children, son Ashpreet and daughter Kishleen, and both are the apple of Jasmeet's eye. Ashpreet and Ritu were married in 2011 at Mysore and are blessed with a darling daughter, Gursimar, who is the heartthrob of the family.
Hi Mama, though you are 50 today, doesn't seem like you are 50. You're so much full of energy and actively take part in everything possible. I'm so happy to have you as a mom too. You cook such yummy food and delicious desserts. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for me. Always been by my side and always helped me whenever I needed help. Remain the same and always be the same. Wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the very best for your future and loads of happiness and good health.
Happy birthday, Ma. Where do I start from? I have so much to thank you. I want to thank you for the amazing upbringing that you have given all of us. I want to thank you for all those sleepless nights that you have put in with us during our school days. I want to thank you for the amazing food and the extra weight that comes with it. I want to thank you for being by my side and being supportive of all the decisions I've taken in my life.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
Wish you a
Happy
happy
50th
50th
birthday.
birthday. Love you.
In 2013, Kishleen found a soulmate in Shaman, and the couple are married and happily settled in the holy city of Amritsar.
Hi, Mom. When I was born, you were my angel. My first step I took, the first thing I said when I walked, you were there in every precious moment of my life. I think every single day how much I thank God for making you my mother is not enough. The love between us is something which cannot be described. Loving, strong, beautiful are just a few words that actually describe you. You are much more than everything. If I start with my list of all the good things about you, I think this whole evening won't be enough for that.
Mom, I consider myself lucky to be a part of this family and having a mother like you, so loving, caring and full of life. I look forward to the happier times and I'm sure that it's going to be fun all the way.
Wishing you a very, very, very happy 50th birthday and many, many, many more to come.
Bittu's brother Gurdeep and Bhabhi Bubbles, along with Ashpreet and Ritu, live in the same house as an extended family.
Happy 50th birthday, Jasmeet.
Jasmeet, I'm happy to have you as a sister-in-law and a friend in this house. You have been a great support to me and the family in this house.
They say a house is built with cement, bricks and mortar, but a home is built with love, affection, understanding and care. And this you, Bittu and the kids have provided in ample measure, and understanding and togetherness have been the key words. May gold turn into diamond and diamond into platinum, and you stay blessed with happiness, prosperity, peace and above all, good health. May God be with you in all your endeavors, and like I always say, खुशियां मानो, जींदे रहो, गुरु रामदास कंडी साई होवे और बुढ़ सुहागन हो. All the best, Jasmeet. We love you, we love you, we love you.
Gurdeep's daughter Timsi and her husband Raj and children Harmeher and Tafsheen are in New Jersey, USA.
An entrepreneur, a chef, an artist. These are some of the daily facets of her life. Not only does she mold each relationship into a beautiful masterpiece, but she is the pillar of strength for our entire family. Today, I would like to honor and celebrate the love that I share for one of the most wonderful people in my life, my dear Chachi, whom I also fondly call as my Da. To me, she has been a loving mother, a guiding teacher, a caring sister, and my best friend and partner in crime. She is my soulmate, or to sum it all up, my 911 emergency contact. Today, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all that you have done for me and always being there. I wish you life's very best and many more wonderful moments in the years ahead of your life. Always stay blessed, and for all of you, हम जैसे लाखों हैं, पर मेरी जैसी जैसी कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं.
Fatima, I'm very lucky to have a mom like you who's always there for me whenever I need you. Happy birthday, and I wish you all the happiness in the world. Love you always.
I'm so blessed to have a nanny as great as you. Whenever you're around, you show us the joy and happiness of life. It's like you're an artist. You sketch out the brightest colors in our portrait of life. Happy birthday, and we'll see you at 60.
Your lovely recipes to your cute life stories, your time-tested advice, to your delicious brownies and souffles. Having someone so loving as a nanny is a beautiful pleasure. Happy birthday, Nani.
Neena and Sheena, Jasmeet's sisters-in-law, though in Chennai and Bangalore with their families, are much attached to Jassi and keep in constant touch.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Jasmeet Mamiji. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to a very warm, loving person, Jasmeet, a person who has kept the family together, either spiritually or culturally. Hats off to you, Jasmeet. Wish you a very happy birthday, long life ahead. Thank you.
Sat Shri Akal, Jasmeet. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. We are so lucky and blessed to have you in our family. You are the live wire of our khandan. You are more like a sister than a bhabi to us. We all love you so much. Once again, happy 50th birthday. We love you so much, Jasmeet.
Hello, Circular Jassi. Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Stay blessed always.
Sat Shri Akal, Jasmeet Mamiji. Wish you a very happy 50th golden year birthday. We admire you a lot. The love and affection that you show to each one of us around you. Your everlasting energy. You are an inspiration to all the elders and the youngsters in our family. Please continue to inspire us. Wishing you loads and loads of love, happiness and blessings forever. Wishing the golden girl of our family a very happy golden birthday. Love you.
Hi Mommy, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Though it's your 50th birthday, looks like you've just turned 25. Stay happy and stay blessed always.
Many happy returns of the day, Bobby. I love you a lot and you know it. You've been a wonderful friend, a sister, a mom and everything in my life. Just be like that and don't change. God bless you with good health, happiness and a long life. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jasmeet Bobby. For your birthday, I want to say a few lines. मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी के 48 साल में बहुत से लोगों को मिला हूँ, पहचाना है। ज़्यादातर लोग शक्ल से सुंदर होते हैं पर सीरत से नहीं। आप उन कुछ चंद ही लोगों में से एक हैं जो शक्ल और सीरत दोनों से ही सुंदर हैं। Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi, Jizu Mommy, I love you. Happy birthday. Keep cooking, keep dancing, keep singing, keep playing with everyone, keep loving everyone. Bye.
Bitu's cousin sister Lovely and Jasmeet grew up together as kids in Bombay and continue to enjoy the same friendship till this day.
Hi Jasu Mami, wish you a very happy birthday. You're the world's best cook and best mommy. We love you so much.
Hope you have an
Awesome day and God bless you with all the happiness in the world.
Jasmeet is a multifaceted person and full of life, ready to venture into anything. The word impossible does not seem to exist in her dictionary. The list of Jasmeet's varied activities is long. To name a few, her passion for cooking is well established and she even takes time out to conduct classes to teach children basic cooking. Those with a sweet tooth simply love her desserts, which she has aptly named Jassi's Delights. Jassi derives great pleasure in teaching Punjabi and the Sikh history to children at the Gurudwara on Sundays. A religious person, Jasmeet performs the daily rituals of Sri Guru Granth Sahib at home with utmost reverence and fervour. She was a chairperson of Penta Ladies Circle in 2001 and went on to hold office as the chairperson of Area 7 in 2004. The Ladies Circle India Conference, Tech City Tantra at Coimbatore in 2006 under her stewardship came up for much appreciation from all quarters. LC India was privileged to have Jasmeet as the Honorary Circular in 2007. She is presently the Secretary of the RSpuram Ladies Club. Jasmeet also loves participating in car rallies, quiz contests and cookery competitions and has won many prizes. She is alive at any social event and like a true Punjabi can be on the dance floor for hours. Jussie and Bittu have a fabulous group of friends with whom they hang out regularly, and the camaraderie they share is enviable.
Happy birthday, Jessie. God has not given me a sister, so I found one in you. You share a fabulous rapport as a way of thinking, dressing, enjoying life, everything gels. The moments I share with you are the best in my life, and I cherish every bit of it. Thank you for being my bestie. On this landmark 50th birthday, I wish you all the happiness and loads of love. God bless.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy 50th birthday.
This is to say cheers, happy birthday and all the very best.
Happy birthday to one of the happiest people I know, who's always has so much energy on the dance floor and even off it.
Cheers.
Hi Babijan, happy 50th birthday. Have a wonderful year ahead. Sending special hugs and kisses from my end. Enjoy your party, have a blast. Missing you, wish I could be there. Love you.
Hi Golden Girl. Wow, how time flies. I remember just like yesterday when we were little girls and we used to play Ghar and hang out and have lots of fun. Although we missed each other's wedding and the wedding of our kids for obvious reasons, and even though I am not there with you even today, I am sure you know that my best wishes are with you always, even though we are miles apart. Love you, miss you, and a very happy birthday.
Dearest Jasmeet, मेरी बचपन दी प्यारी प्यारी सहेली, I'm wishing you a very 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 happy 50th birthday. Wishing you today brings back loads and loads of our childhood memories, all the times we spent going to college, going to the Gurdwara, having fun outside Samrat, some really strong memories we built together, and today you've reached a big milestone of your life. I'm sure your family is as proud as you as we all your friends are for all that you've achieved and all that you continue to achieve. God is always with you, Jasmeet, just like you've always been by our side. Really, really happy and privileged to have had a friend like you, and I hope our friendship continues right till the time we get together and be old buddies. Looking forward to catching up and seeing you soon and giving you a nice big bear hug. Happy birthday once again.
Yeah! Happy birthday, Jasmeet.
And Ranu.
Yeah! Happy birthday.
Birthday, Jack. Have a great 50th birthday. You have been an inspiration to us. You have done so much in these 50 years of your life. It's amazing. I am nowhere near that. Love you so much. Have a great birthday.
छोटी भाभी, आपको 50वें जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। और मैंने आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है और आगे भी सीखना चाहता हूँ, और ऊपर वाले से आपकी लंबी उम्र के लिए दुआ करता हूँ कि आपको और आपके पूरे परिवार को हमेशा खुश रखे और आप लोग का आशीर्वाद मेरे सर पे हमेशा बना रहे। हैप्पी बर्थडे छोटी भाभी।
Her rendering of traditional and Punjabi folk songs are a big hit at family weddings and get-togethers.
बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो, देखती रहो, देखती रहो, अच्छा लगता है, जीवन का हर सपना आज सच्चा लगता है। क्या खूब लगती हो, बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो।
When it comes to presenting herself, Jussie loves to dress up in an impeccable manner, which is sure to make a few heads turn at any gathering. A fitness freak, Jussie enjoys cooking healthy food and regularly works out in the mornings at the gym. If time permits, she is also seen playing badminton at the ladies' club. Jussie has been a huge pillar of support to Bittu, which has helped him to take up daunting challenges and at the same time have a soft perspective to life.
Happy birthday, Jasmeet. It's been a glorious 31 years. It looks like more of an fairy tale story which every man would dream about, having a partner like you in life. And I mean it from my bottom of heart. Thank you for coming in my life, Jasmeet. From the beginning, the way you handled all situations in life, starting from the 1984 riots, taking care of mom, dad when they were not well, upbringing of the children, Ashu and Kishu, maintaining your rapport with your sister-in-laws, with Virji and Babi. You have been really well balanced, and you have been the pillar of strength to the whole family. And also maintaining the good relation, being more of a friend to Ritu, Gursimar and to Shaman. The list can go on. But yes, in the end I would really say, I really love you. तुम मिले तो जादू छा गया, तुम मिले तो जीना आ गया, तुम मिले तो मैंने पाया है खुदा.
A strong believer in family values, Jessie's role in nurturing the bonding and togetherness of the family deserves mention. The 3 decades since she moved into the Anand household has seen many ups and downs. But this has not deterred her, with understanding, trust and respect being her mantra.
Jasmeet, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. May God bless you with all the happiness, good health and prosperity in the world. Thanks for making our life sweeter with your delicious desserts. Wish you all the success and I hope you enjoy your life. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Hi Jasmeet. Everybody in our family says, Jessie, koi nahi. And you have proved it over the years. In every family function, in whatever you do, you involve yourself wholeheartedly and make everybody involve themselves. That's why we all say, Jessie, koi nahi. You have reached a half century. Let's record it again when you reach the century.
Rarely in life we come across a person, such a magnetic personality and who makes heads turn wherever they go. Chachi ji, you're one such person. You're an effortless all-rounder who has excelled in all spheres and won the love and respect of all.
You are pure at heart and a very down-to-earth person. You are always ready to help everyone in spite of their age and stature. Chachi ji, you are an inspiration and I hope to follow in your footsteps.
Be it your social causes, your vivacious nature and your delicious desserts, you have always excelled and are an inspiration not only for us but also the future Anand. Happy birthday, Chachi.
We all love you.
Jessie attributes her success to the upbringing by her parents and the blessings of her grandparents and her in-laws. Today, as she completes 5 decades, 50 is just a number to her. She is all set to take on bigger roles and challenges with renewed zeal and vigor. Her warm, caring, outgoing and helpful nature is bound to take her places in the days and years to come. Friends, presenting to you the one and only Jessie. And like we all know, Jessie, koi nahi.